So hi everyone. So my name is Shubham Rajendra Ingule. I am a student of Board Infinity. So today I'm going to share you guys my capstone project which I did on Excel. So here's the title of my project, which is Google Play Store apps. Okay. So let's start it. So as you know, Android is expanding as an operating system. It has captured around 74% of the total market, which is a truly true indicator of a huge amount of population using Android. So it will also help us to find out the factors that affect someone's decision to download an app. So let's go to our problem statement. So these are all problem statement which I have listed over here, like which are the top category apps on the Google Play Store, which categories content is found more, distribution of rating of apps, then percentage, which are free or paid, which category apps have greatest number of installs, which are the top 10 installed apps in the different categories, which are the top expensive apps, which are the apps which are highest number of reviews, count of apps found in their journals, and which are. So let's go to our executive summary. So the aim of my analysis is to provide the insights about the Android application and the categories. Our goal is to help the Android developers to know what is the motivation factors of a people to download an app. So which category of app is the highest trending street? I would like to analyze the category reviews, price, rating, and install for this purpose to find out how are they interrelated. So before going to this, let me share you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard which I created on Excel. So let's go to the brief. As you see, the first dialog box over here, it says the total category. So the total category depends upon the slicer which you have selected. Okay, so I have selected, for example, the auto and wheels category for now. If I go to select and design, art and design, let it load us something. It's taking. Okay, see. So as soon as I select art and design category, it shows me the uh, data related it. So the total category selected one, so which has a total number of apps, total number of 60 apps in the art and design category, the sum of reviews of all the categories, sum of installs of all the category, the average rating, and distinct content rating. Okay, so as you know, distinct content means this is like application zones for whom the app is available. For example, everyone, for adults, for below age 10, just like that. So as you see, this art and design category is available for all application zones. So here we can see the average rating per category. Okay, it's which is 4.1. Then we can see the top 10 downloads per category. So which we have here the three categories which are having almost same download. So we have top 10 apps, sum of reviews. So over here, which is Textgram, right on photos, which have the highest sum of reviews for this app. So the percentage of free versus paid. So this percent tells us only the apps which are in the art and design category which are paid and free. Okay, so 95% apps are free and 5% apps are paid. So application churn, as I told, it's for everyone. So let's go to the rating. So these are the top 10 apps rating, which we can see it's high, the highest app rating is 4.8, and this side is AJ style HD wallpaper, and the application name it is. So max size of apps. So size of apps is over here, like we see flip like a cartoon something. The application which is having the highest 40 MB of size. So these are like this is a sunburst chart which I have created. So top 10 paid apps over here, which are the two categories, the highest two categories which I have paid in this. So as soon as you select another category, it will show you all the data related to it. Okay, so for example, if I want to select two categories, okay, so beauty and books, I want to come take this both categories. So it's telling me the average rating of both the, which is 3.7, 3.4. It will also calculate the top 10 downloads per category in this from this both apps. It will tell me. So in this both apps we have like free paid percent 8 and free percent free percent for 92 and paid 8%, paid percent like 8%. Okay, sorry. So rating of a top 10 apps, okay, you can here see. So let me just cut it down, select one category. Okay, yeah. So just a minute. Okay. Okay, I'm selecting the first one. Okay, so as we see here also the same slicer I've used. So for example, if you want to know if what this app is for everyone, as you see, if there is only everyone highlighted over here, so only everyone we can select. Okay, so let's go down to our problem statements now. So as you see, which are the top categories on the Google Play Store. So over here, I have mentioned all the problems below. Over here. So which are the top categories Google on Google Play Store? So same data I have explained in the PowerPoint presentation. So let's go over there. Before going to there, I can just explain what I did over here on this sheet. So this is actually my raw data which I have got. As you see, I have done some data cleaning, like for example the size of aim. This is a general category. Uh, I can't use this column because of there are the what we say variables present in this, numbers and variables both. So I just clean this data over here. I did some data clean, what we say, applied some logic and remove that in category. So which I had actually MB and KB, the both cases were there. Some apps were like in MB, somewhere in KB, as we see over here. Same goes for installs. I have to do some cleaning over there. So basically, this is journals. Let me explain you what are the journals. So let's go to and select one any application, like for example family. So this is a category. So in this category, this journals like casual, education, puzzles, this all are the subcategories of that main category size. So as you know, as you see, the family contains mostly educations videos, education apps in that, sorry. And it also has a second category which joins actually there. This both the columns were what we say the same. I just use conditional formatting and the click text to column, sorry, just use a text to column and just separated them both categories, so it was easy for me to judge. So let's go to our pivot tables. We have pivot tables over here which I have created mostly. So this all pivot tables are linked to the dashboards, so I'm not going to touch that thing right now. So that's all over here, and let's go to the PowerPoint presentation. So let's go. This is our presentation. So which are the top categories on the Google Play Store based on the number of installs? So this where like game category was the most highest number of install, which is nearly around 3,500 million. So here, the next comes to communication to productivity. So which category of content is found more? As you see, the every category of everyone, which is apps available for everyone, it's mostly found more in this category. Then what percentage of app are paid and free? In the total all the categories, there are 92% of apps which are free and 8% are paid over there. Which are the top expensive app categories? So top expensive app category, if as we just saw the family category, okay, the family category had mostly paid apps in this category, which are mostly the highest expensive apps, which are less than the games, then productivity. So count of apps found in the different journals. So these are like count of app, the germs column, which are explained, which has the subcategories for that columns. So this all columns related to that, which have we can see the tool columns, which like in tools they are like Photoshop editing, like apps are there like that apps are having I found more in this category. So type versus rating. So type means it's free or paid. So in this both category, as we see, as we this orange column which refers to news and magazines. So in this category, the rating of this news and magazine was for more than 4.5. Okay, it's more than 4.5. Then we go to paid categories. So second, which is video players. In free category, if we go with games that use more actually. So this category is having rating more than 4. Which are the apps that have made the highest earnings? So as we see, the Minecraft app is found to be made the highest earning, like more than 70 millions. Which are the apps with the highest number of reviews? So as we see, the Facebook app, obviously the most number of apps, Facebook, then Instagram. These are the most used apps. WhatsApp Messenger. Then we go to Clash of Clans. This is actually the game of Supercell. Then the Clash Royale. This is also game. We have some dating apps, I think so. The video chat free over here. Then the Subway Surfer game. So basically, we have like a social media, the games, then some apps. Okay, this in this particular category, which are having the highest number of reviews. So max size type, maximum total size, it's 100 MB are shown total. So let's go to the conclusion. After completion of analysis, I conclude that user prefer more of a free apps mostly. Most of the apps present in the Play Stores are more or less the same size. So size doesn't matter affect their decisions much. Of the category, the most used is games, and the size of a game doesn't matter, which is still in with much still the installs are more. Okay, so the size doesn't matter even if the installs are going to be more. In the paid app category, family is major use, in which you will find different genres which are higher, like casual, education, puzzles are the use more. Then the dataset contains the possibility to deliver insights to understand the customer demands better, and thus help the developers to popularize the product. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Coming to my dashboard. Let's see if anything is remaining. Okay. Thank you guys. I think that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.